Hello Sparkles, welcome back. So this is continuation of part 1 of Wafra vlog, and if you did not check out the part 1 of Wafra vlog, I'll give you a card. Make sure you go and check it out. So this is another farm in Kuwait. It looks very beautiful and also very neat. You can see here, and there's also a white swing over there. And in the middle there is a huge pond, and the pond looks so beautiful. It is very huge, and also especially with swans on it. So you can see there are swans floating in the water. Sparkles, the swans are coming in our direction, so let's go and check out them in close. They came near us and they look so beautiful, and they are also floating in a row. So you can see they're so cute. Now let's walk around the pond and see what's coming next. So there's my bro with his friend. So you can see a green thing over there. That is actually a plant shop. So we are heading there. So before we are heading there, we saw 2 olive trees. You can see with a cloth on it, there's a brown cloth. So it is actually olive tree. So now we have entered the plant shop. So there are so many beautiful plants and also flowers for sale. And also there are so many different kinds of plants, many kinds. I'll show you one by one to you. So you can see everything in this shop is for sale. There's actually these flower pots where you can keep your flowers, and there's a big thin tree over here. It's actually fake, it's not real, but it looks beautiful. And also there was a white tree. And look at these flowers. I think these are very common. And also this pink flower. And there is a giant cactus over here. The cactus looks so beautiful. Because I think I showed you guys this mountain at the entrance. So there is a small mountain where you can climb the top. So let's go. So now I have reached the top. So from this mountain you can see the whole farm. So you can see there are people walking, so that's actually the way to come to the top. So from the top you can see all the things that you have saw earlier. So that's actually the entrance to the farm. You can see that's the parking area and that's the gate. So Sparkles, do you guys remember a plant shop that I showed you guys earlier? So as there were so many beautiful flowers, I took photos of them. So here are that's it for today's video, Sparkles. See you on the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.